Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply table properties in your document to make it really interactive and lucrative. So I already have a document here. You can take it from the template. You just go in the template option and you just choose from privacy policy template. I choose it for reasons because here you can find really already made document, and it has the headline and a good description, and also it has footer. So, and also it's a little bit longer. So here I'm going to use table option. Let's say I would like to use the table option here, and now you insert table. Okay, so just start 2 by 2 table. That means 2 rows and 2 columns, and then maybe you have something to write here and then something right there, and here you would like to show some numbers. You would like to have one image here, so from insert and go here in the Google search you can find image. Let's say you want an image of tree, and you just choose any image from the options and insert. Now you can see that the tree has been inserted here, and maybe you'd like 1 or 2 more columns. So maybe you'd like 1 more columns. So inserted, you have total 4 columns, and here you need more rows. So insert row below, insert row below, and you'd like this. You'd like more images to go diagonally. So maybe you can insert image from the web. Let's say this is a street, and here you can choose this image, insert it here, and maybe you can just make it a little bit little, and here this one, and then maybe you'd like to have another image in this corner, and go insert image, search from the web. Let's say 1 teacup, and insert this beautiful teacup here, and it is inserted. Now let's say you want some text here, and you want some text here as well. So we take a little bit big text, we copy and we paste it here. I am just randomly choosing different text, but you will choose your text. And let's say we just don't want anything here. So sometimes in your text you want a random way of presenting things, and a random way of presenting things most of the time catches the viewer's eye. So maybe you just don't want anything here as well. So and here there is another description, here there is another description, and when people will start reading your documents, they will not be able to see this part, and they will not be able to see this part as well. So how you will do that? Well, you just select everything and click right, and then go to the table properties and table border. You just erase the table border. How? There is no way you can erase it. Instead, you will just allow it to mix with the background. So background is white. You just choose white border, and now you see when someone will come and start reading, they will see like this. This part, there's nothing in this part, there's nothing in this part. And now it is not properly aligned, but maybe you want to design something that has this kind of style. Maybe you want to write a company note where you want to implement this style, and this is really cool. Now if you want to bring back that border again, you go to the table property again and you just choose any color to be the border. Let's say we choose this one to be the border, and this time I'd like this border to be a little bit thicker, let's say 3, and then yeah, the border has returned. And this time you want something here as well, and also you want something here as well. You want another maybe instead of image you want to draw something here, and let's say you want an arrow, and save and close. So you have that arrow in this box, and maybe this cell, the background, you want the background of this cell to be different. So you just right click, go to the table property, the cell background, let's say you want yellow cell background. Now you see that this cell background is yellow. You want this cell background to be red. Now you have a red cell background, and you want this cell background to be, let's say, blue. Now you see the blue background. So this way you can really make interactive design where you can put text, image, some art together. Thank you very much.